Hmm.
3, 2, 1.
Hello students, welcome you all in mathematics lecture series. In previous lecture, we have discussed about test of similarity of triangle. Test are angle test, angle test, side angle and side test, and last test is side. These three tests we have discussed in previous lecture. First one is angle test, then angle test. Test number third, side angle and side test. Last is side test. These four tests we have discussed in previous lecture, and also we have started solving example based on test of similarity. To continue with that, in today's lecture, we will solve one more example based on test of similarity from practice set 1.3. Example given is example number 5. Example number 5. In a given trapezium PQRS, side PQ is parallel to side AR. AR is 5 times of AP, AS is 5 times AQ. Then prove that SR is equal to 5 times PQ. For that purpose, let's draw one triangle or trapezium. This is trapezium PQRS. PQR, yes. A is the midpoint given PQ is parallel to SR, and also AR equal to 5 times AP AQ equal to AS equal to 5 times AQ, and we have to prove that SR equal to 5 times PQ. Okay, so how to solve this problem? In triangle PQA and triangle ASR, consider about these two triangles. This is triangle PAQ and ASR. I will highlight that. This is triangle these two triangles. Okay, now in these two triangles, side PQ and side SR. SR is 5 times to that of PQ, which we have to prove it. Okay, so first of all, from given data, what is given? AR equal to 5 times AP, means AR upon AP equal to 5 by 1. AP multiply होगा तो इतना will divide with. Similarly, AS equal to 5 times AQ, therefore AS upon AQ also 5.1. Okay, now triangle ASR and triangle AQP. ASR and AQP. In the triangle, angle PAQ similar to angle SAR, that is opposite angles. This triangle and this triangle are opposite angles. They are equal. Okay. Now given from given data, PQ is parallel to AS, and if that two lines, means line PQ and SR, is joined by QS, so figure will be like this. PQ and SR is joined by QS. These two angles are similar. These two triangles are similar. Okay, therefore PQA, angle PQA similar to angle ASR. Both are similar. Okay. These two triangles. Are similar. So these two angles are similar. Angle PQA and angle ASR are similar. Okay. Therefore, in triangle P, sorry, in triangle ASR and AQP, according to, therefore, this is equation second, equation number one. Therefore, from 1 and 2 by angle test, by angle test, triangle ASR similar to triangle AQ. Okay, here we can use another test of similarity. Which one? Listen, pay attention. This is opposite angles, ratio of this side and this side, and ratio of this side and this side is similar, that is 5 raised to 1, 5 raised to 1. Means angles are in similar proportion. Sorry, sides are in similar proportion. Angles are equal. Therefore, side angle side side angle side test. That means by SAS, side angle side test, triangle ASR and triangle AQP are similar. That means by using angle test or by using side angle side test, these two triangles are similar. In exam, we can use any method, by angle test or side angle side test. Therefore, when we say that these two triangles are similar, then we know that when two triangles are similar, then AS upon AQ equal to AS upon AQ equal to AS upon AQ equal to SR upon QP. But we know that what is the value of AS upon AQ, that is y has to 1. Therefore, SR upon QP is also y has to 1. That is verified or proved. Okay, with simple example, we can solve that example by using angle test or by using side angle side test. We can use any one method to prove that triangle ASR is similar to triangle AQB. Okay, now let's move towards next topic, that is theorem of area of similar triangles. Theorem of area of similar triangles. What is the statement of theorem? theorem का समझूंगा पहले. When two triangles are similar, then ratio of square of their corresponding side gives the area of triangles. काय सांगतो मी? When two triangles are similar, the ratio of area of those triangles is equal to square of their corresponding sides. Square of their corresponding sides. When two triangles are similar, the ratio of area of those triangles is equal to square of their corresponding side. Equal to square of equal to ratio of square of their corresponding side. Ratio of corresponding side. म्हणजे तो बघा कसे. Suppose two triangles will dot two triangles. This is one triangle. This is another triangle. Suppose this triangle is we will draw one height of that triangles. Height of triangles. The height of another triangles. Suppose the name of the triangle is ABC, whose height is equal to AD, perpendicular down. That means that angle is 90. This angle is 90 means this angle is also 90. P, Q, R When we say that two triangles are similar, that means this side is similar to this side. Now, according to theorem, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. AD is perpendicular to BC and PS is perpendicular to QR. And we have to prove that I will use different color. We have to prove that area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR equal to AB square upon PQ square, which is equal to AC square upon PR square, which is equal to BC square upon US square. Okay, so we have to prove that. Now we will solve a theorem. In triangle, how to find out the area that we have discussed in previous lecture. Area of triangle upon area of, suppose, second triangle. The ratio is in proportion of base into height. Base into height. Suppose area of triangle ABC and area of triangle PQR equal to, base is given, that is BC into AD upon QR into PS, that is BC upon QR equal to AD upon PS. Suppose this is equation number 1 into PS. This is equation number first. Now in triangle ABD, I will highlight the triangle. In triangle ABD and in triangle PSQ, in triangle ABB, sorry, ABD, in triangle ABD and triangle, equal triangle बघा ABD and PQS and triangle PQS. बघा triangle म्हणतो मी ABD and PQS. Angle B equal to angle Q. 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 Angle Q 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 equal to angle Q. that is given. Okay. Also, we know that AD is perpendicular to BC, means angle ADB is 90 degrees Celsius. Also, PS is perpendicular to QR, therefore angle S, that is PSQ, is 90 degrees Celsius. This is also 90 degrees Celsius. This angle is this angle is 90 degrees Celsius. ADB, ADB, angle ADB is 90 degrees Celsius. Angle ADB and equal to angle PSQ, that is 90 degrees Celsius. Therefore, suppose this is equation number second, this is third. From 2 and 3, we can say that a triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQS by angle tests. Angle test, these two triangles are similar. When we say angles are similar, then ratio of AD upon PS equal to AB upon PQ. This is equation number 4. But AD upon PS equal to AB upon PQ. But triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, that is given. That is given. Therefore, we can say that AB upon PQ equal to BC upon QR. BC upon QR. This is equation number, suppose, 5. Okay. So from equation number 1, what is equation number 1? Area of triangle ABC upon PQR equal to BC into QR upon AD into PS. From equation 1, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to, what is given? BC upon QC, BC upon QR, that is BC upon QR into AD upon PS. But from equation 4, AD upon PS equal to AB upon PQ, AB upon PQ, PQ is similar to BC upon QR, BC upon QR. Therefore, from 4 and 5, instead of AD upon PS, we can write AD upon PS equal to AB upon PQ, AB upon PQ equal to BC upon QR. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR equal to BC upon QR into BC upon QR, which is equal to area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR equal to BC square upon QR square. BC square upon QR square. Similarly, we can prove that area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR equal to BC square upon QR square, which is equal to AB square upon PQ square, which is equal to AC square upon PR square. That is verified. Okay, the theorem can be verified. Students, this is how we have proved the theorem of area of similar triangle. In next lecture, we will see few examples based on theorem of area of similar triangles. I hope all of you understood the theorem, the proof of the theorem. In next lecture, we will see few examples based on theorem. Okay.